This is Jeremy here at Family RV, and I had a story to share, so I wanted to post a video. And the story goes like this. A guy comes in this morning looking for a fifth wheel, and he mentioned that he was looking at Rockwood. So I said, great. Brought him into the indoor showroom and was walking up to the Flagstaff. He says, is this also built by Forest River? I said it is. He asked me what the difference is. So the differences I shared with him are the differences I'm going to share with everybody watching this video. I'm going to let you guys know there is no difference. Rockwood and Flagstaff are both built by Forest River. They go down the same assembly line using the same materials. The only thing that might be different would be interior colors. So if you guys are looking for a Rockwood, Flagstaff might always be an option. If you're looking for a Flagstaff, I'm going to say Rockwood might be an option. But they're both really, really good trailers. At the bottom of the video, we attached a PDF, right? And if you guys are looking for a Rockwood or a Flagstaff, you can look at the PDF and I'll show you all the different floor plans that are available for both models. So before you guys make a hard decision on one or the other, make sure you explore your options. So that's the story I wanted to share with you. You guys have a great day, and hopefully I'll talk to you guys soon.